Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I brought you something interesting for the RSV4, and let's take a look. So today we're going to install a new filter. I ordered this one on F1 Racing, and the intake stacks kit for the RSV4 from Gabro Racing, ordered on Aprilia specialparts.com. Alright, let's jump right on it. Alright, so our first step, we have to remove the seat. Take it off. We're gonna remove the side panels, and then we're gonna remove the tank. That's for the instructions, okay? 4mm. So we now remove the side panel. We have 1, 2, and then we have 3 here. Repeat the same process on the other side. So now we remove 1, 2, 3. Now we'll remove this one right here. For that one, we're gonna need a 5mm. I unplugged this from here. This clip was inside here. I removed 2 screws in here. 1, 2. I unplugged this one too. So this is free for the tank to come off on the back. Alright, there are 2 hoses we need to remove to make sure we can take the tank off. These are going to be the 2 we're going to remove. We're going to put a towel under to avoid any, or clean up anything that will be leaking from the tank. Alright, on the other side, on the right side of the bike, there's this hose right here that we need to remove. Alright, so how you do it? You push up right here. Push up. Now press in here and pull it out. It's out. Alright, now we're gonna start taking these screws right now so we can remove the top lid where the air filter is gonna be on. So now we'll remove what's holding the ECU, these 3 screws. Get this. So we try to remove everything that is holding all this stuff on top of the lid. So I'm going to remove the screw too. And now on this side, we'll remove this connection right here. Be careful if it trips anything here. Press on the side, push it out, and then there you go. Alright, there was one more screw here that I didn't remove because it was under the coming right out. So the filter comes out pretty easy. Just pull it out. Alright, from top of the lid, we're gonna remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In that case, this one comes right off. These are the top ones. Alright, so there are 4 blocks provided. So we're gonna put this where we remove those 4 screws to remove the upper stacks, right? Alright, so once we remove the fuel line, we're gonna put these blocks in those holes where we removed the screws before. Alright, so this is what I did. So I put those like rubber plugs right here so you can tell. There's another one right here. There's one more right here. And there's the last one right here. Okay? There should be 4 of those. So once this is done, we can connect all this back to the top lid. Alright, we connect the fuel line back to the top lid. And then we start working on the lower velocity stacks. Alright, with the 4mm, we're gonna start removing all this. Alright, now we bring the new stacks, right? So they are marked. Each of them, they have a number, as you can tell. Alright, so the instruction says like we have to screw in these 2 top screws, right? Not all the way, just a few turns with the 4mm right here. Just a few turns, right? 1, 2, okay. And we do the same with the other one, the top one. Turns. Now we start putting the screws in here. Once we have all the screws on each of the stacks, we're gonna start with number 2. We're gonna slide it in here on the previously screw that we put in the box. So number 2 should go here. Slide it in. And same with number 4. You'll see that you can slide it in with this through here. And we screw them in. Once we're done tightening all the screws, make sure that everything is tight. We install the new filter. Right there. And then we assemble everything back together. All right, once everything is put back together, we are going to reflash the bike using the up app from Aprilia Special Parts. I'm gonna link the video in the description on how to flash your RSV4 using this device. Okay, so when I ordered these stacks, it came with a coupon code for us to, or for me to download the map that I'm going to need for the mods that I already have on my bike. So go into that description below and follow the instruction on how to flash your bike using the map.